Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can implement a list in a React.js component. So implementing list is very important because in all our project, we require to implement the list of items or list of products in React. So we are getting all these information from backend. So as React is totally on the view, so we present all the information that is coming from the backend. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can implement simple list in a class-based component. Also, you can implement the same in function-based component. As we have already discussed that function-based component are very simple to implement and they have all the necessary features. Right now, they can also be used for maintaining state, which was missing earlier. So let us discuss about how you can implement list. So I will be showing the list and then how you can implement and show that list in your existing component. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So let us start the video. So you can see we have this main app.js file and we have already created. So I'll be removing the previously created this table because we just need to implement list base. So I have already created a my event. So I'll be deleting this and I will be creating a new component that will show how to implement a list. So I will delete this and I will also delete this all the. Now let's create a new component and I will be creating a new component that will be list.js. Again, all the component.js base. So list.js file is created. Now it will be a class base. So import the React class from React and then we will be creating the class list implement and it will extends the base class called component. So component. Now we are going to implement. So in order to implement any list, we will be using the state. So in the state we will be providing the list, or you can also use any constant. So suppose I want to use this const and I will be using name list. So it will be an array. So I'll be putting first, second, third. So this is a list of array and again a class function is consist of a render. So I will be putting this render function and inside the render function I will be returning the JSX. So this is my JSX and since it is JSX, so JavaScript XML. So in order to implement this, what I will be using these curly braces and name list 0 then name list 1 so this is all that we are using in name list. So this is list so we have no such file or directory open greet1.js. So we have I think opened some greet.js file, so we need to close all these applications. So let me close this and if I go to this app.js file, since this particular event I have already deleted, so it was causing the issue. So if I save this, now there is another file that we are importing, so we need to delete this also. So we have created earlier these files. So now since we are creating a new file, so it will be list.js and we have already used this constant modifier. So we have name list equal to this and then we are printing this. So we will be displaying this list in our component. So this is the first one in which like we have created a name list, and since we have many items that are to be returned, so what we will be doing, we will be just putting that in a single view. So you can see now there is no error. Now the second part is we will going to the app.js, and simple we will import list impl from components, and then this is list. So we are good here, and now this is components and this is a list, and this is this list implementation. So we have implemented this. Now we will be putting list implementation, and here we have implemented this. So the other thing that is missing whenever you see these type of error, because we cannot import until and unless it is exported there. So I need to export this. So export default list implementation. So now you can see list.js expected an assignment function call instead saw an expression. So we have already created this name list. Now we need to just run this function so that it will show in browser. So you can see that we have created a simple list, and we just need to show how it looks. So we have written some random values, and we can just print that. Simply just we implement any array. So if we put 0, 1, 2, and then if we want to put in different lines, so we can put in different lines. So we can put anything. So we have put these three values in the list, and we are accessing this list using this because we are in class component. And once if you will check this, so you can see that they are all displayed. So list can be displayed like this, and we can also put a br here also. So this is one way of representing. Second way is like we can also use a map function, msg dot this dot msg dot map, and then in map we will be using person, and then in person will be used like this this. So you can see that this is another way through which we can check using the map function. So you can either use this person map, and then you can use the value person dot 0, 1, 2, 3, or it will be showing you everything at one page. So you can use this map function, or you can use this by using the 0, 1, 2, 3, or you can also use the for loop through which you can navigate from one step to another step. So friends, this was all about how you can manage a list in your React component. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.